Welcome to the Storybook Galaxy.
The Blooming Wish.
Oh no, the Bloomstone. It's gone.
Don't worry, Lily. We'll find it together.
To find the Bloomstone, solve my riddle. What thrives in frost but wilts in fire?
Ice. The answer is ice.
Catch me if you can, slowpokes.
We'll find the Bloomstone no matter what.
There's something hidden beneath the ice, but how do we reach it?
I've got it. Let's melt the ice with a sunbeam spell.
Getting warmer, aren't you?
Sunlight, melt the ice and reveal the truth.
This must be the next clue.
Let's follow the map and end Gigglewing's game.
I hope Gigglewing knows we're not giving up that easily.
A riddle. The path through the frost is where shadows meet the light.
This must be the way forward.
It's beautiful, but we must be careful.
Let's see how you handle this little snowstorm.
This shield will hold. Stay close, Sprig.
Nice work, Lily. Let's keep moving.
This marking, it's another clue from Gigglewing.
Come on, Lily. We're so close. I can feel it.
You're getting warmer, little fairies, but you'll need more than courage.
This path, it's leading us closer to the Bloomstone.
Where the frost meets the flame, the treasure will be revealed. What does it mean?
This place, it's incredible and dangerous.
The Bloomstone is within reach. But can you solve my final puzzle?
It's not the light, it's the shadow that reveals the path.
Well done, fairies, but you'll have to catch me first.
Hurry, Lily. He's getting away.
Catch me if you can, fairies.
We did it, Sprig. The Bloomstone is ours.
Okay, I admit it. I might have gone a bit too far.
The flowers are blooming. Oh, we've done it. Through every challenge, we learned the power of friendship and trust. I'll never forget this adventure, Sprig. We make a great team. The Bloomstone is restored and the world will bloom again on time.
Well, I'll say this, you two are full of surprises. Until next time.
Next time, let's leave the riddles to the experts, eh, Lily?
We've completed our journey, Sprig. The Bloomstone's magic will bloom forever, thanks to our trust.
If you like the story, then do like, share, and comment. Don't forget to subscribe the channel and press the bell icon.